Alright, if it's your first time in Vegas, make sure to get outside and explore. There's so much in Vegas to see. If you drink, I would highly recommend to get drunk and walk the strip. Don't get completely wasted, but a nice continuous buzz will make your experience a lot more enjoyable. I didn't drink for the longest time, and once I finally did, I had a much better time in Vegas. The reason is because Vegas has so much going on that it can be very overstimulating. By relaxing a bit and just taking it all in, you get to really feel what Vegas is about, and you'll have a great time. Don't worry, if you don't drink, you'll still have plenty of fun. The entire strip is about 2 miles or 45 minutes from the MGM to the Wynn if you walked a straight path. If it's your first time, make sure to check out every hotel. Each one is unique and has plenty of things to do or look at. Something tourists love to do is to travel a little bit south of the strip and take photos at the Welcome to Las Vegas sign. And then, of course, the iconic Bellagio fountains. These usually go on every 15 to 30 minutes depending on the day, and every single time it's a different show and a different song. If you watch the fountains, make sure to go into the hotel itself and look at the display right next to the front lobby. Lots of people miss out on this, so make sure to check it out. It changes every season and holiday, so it's a great place to take photos and capture the memory of Vegas. If you travel north of the Bellagio towards the Link, make sure to walk down the alleyway. During Halloween, they put monsters on the street lamps and make it very fun. While walking down this alley, when you see the entrance to Flamingo, head in there, and on your left will be real live flamingos. It's awesome. Very cool to look at, and not too many people know about it either. Another thing that everyone should experience at least once is Fremont Street. It's located in downtown Las Vegas and has tons of street performers. It's very fun, but if you're driving, make sure to bring cash and expect that parking will suck. Like, it seriously sucks. It gets very busy and you may have to drive around for a while. Anyway, while you're there, make sure to go to Container Park. It's basically an adult playground since it's 21 and over and has a giant praying mantis out front that shoots fire. And finally, if you want to have an awesome view of Vegas, go to the Stratosphere. To get to the very top, it costs about $20 and there are a few rides that you can go on while up there. There's also a bar. One thing to note is there is a massive hotel that is closed that kind of blocks all the other hotels, so be aware of that. The view is still nice, but until they take that hotel down, it's a pretty big downside to going to the Stratosphere. Alright, those are all my recommendations for things to do in Vegas. Many of these, if you do one time, you may never have to do them again, such as Fremont Street or walking the entire strip, but they're very fun things to experience for the very first time. Alright guys, on to the next video.